Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can install the pip package installer on your machine. Mac comes with Python 2.4 by default. If you want to upgrade, you could go to python.org and you can do that. If you want to know how you can install or upgrade the Python, you can check my other video. I will link that into description. So let's get started. To install the pip on your Mac, open up your web browser and you can just type in pip and search in Google, and this is the website you have to navigate to. It's pip.pypa.io. Go to the installation and here you'd see the curl command. Copy this and open up your terminal. I'm typing command space and searching for terminal and paste here, curl command, and hit enter. This will download the git-pip.py file on your machine. Once you do that, copy python space git-pip.py command, go back to your terminal and paste it and hit enter, and this will install the pip. Now you can see this successfully installed on your machine. Just to see if pip is installed successfully, just type in pip and hit enter, and you can see it has been installed successfully on this machine. I saw some folks get an error in some situation where you get pip is not a command, in that case I would say just go ahead and you could type in this sudo space easy underscore install space pip and hit enter and provide your admin password and hit enter, and that should install it successfully on the machine. And just to see, hit enter pip, and there you go, pip is installed successfully on your machine. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please comment and like this video, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.